To begin, go to bitbolide.com. Select Login from the upper right corner. Enter in your Ryerson email address. Next, enter in the generic password Ryerson as shown. Check off I'm not a robot and log in. Click on Send Confirmation Email. You should see the notification displayed above. It will take between 1 to 5 minutes to receive the email. Make sure you check all your email folders, including inbox, spam, and junk. Once you've received the email, click on Confirm Account. Now that your account has been confirmed, you can choose a new password to access Bitbolide. Now, log in again with your Ryerson email and the password that you just created. Remember to check off I'm not a robot. Under the Common Resources menu, select Notes. From here, find your course. In this case, look for SOC411. Ensure you are selecting the right semester and year. In this example, we will be looking at winter 2021. Once you have found your course with the corresponding semester, click on Add to My Notes. You should see this message at the top of the page. Now, under Navigation, go to My Notes. As you can see, SOC411 is now added. By selecting the course, you can expand to see all content.